Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of one of the ocean's most intelligent and mysterious creatures, the octopus. With its 8 incredibly agile arms, an almost supernatural ability to change color and texture, and a brain that challenges everything we thought we knew about animal intelligence, the octopus is a true marvel of nature. But before we uncover its most surprising secrets, picture this: you're diving on a coral reef, the water is crystal clear, and everything seems peaceful. Suddenly, something moves, and what looked like a lifeless rock springs to life, a camouflaged octopus, nearly invisible, which you would never have noticed if you hadn't been paying close attention. Incredible, isn't it? Now, let's explore how they manage this feat. Octopuses have specialized cells called chromatophores, which contain pigments that can expand or contract, allowing them to change color in an instant. But that's not all. They also have leucophores and iridophores, which help reflect light and create shimmering or pearly effects. This combination is so advanced that scientists study octopuses to develop technologies like camouflage clothing and flexible displays. Moreover, an octopus's camouflage isn't just for avoiding predators but also for sneaking up on prey without being noticed. Imagine a hunter so skilled it can blend seamlessly into its surroundings while preparing its next move. But camouflage is just the beginning. An octopus's brain is something that challenges our understanding. They have roughly 500 million neurons, which might seem small compared to a human brain, but here's the astonishing detail: more than 2/3 of these neurons are distributed in their arms. This means each arm has a degree of autonomy to perform tasks like exploring environments, opening shells, or manipulating objects. Experiments show that even when detached from the body, an octopus's arms continue to respond to stimuli and perform complex movements. Think of it as having 8 highly intelligent mini-robots, all connected to a central brain that coordinates them. And speaking of intelligence, octopuses are true masters of problem-solving. They can open jars to retrieve food, escape from sealed aquariums, and even use tools. In one famous experiment, an octopus named Otto was observed squirting water at a light bulb to turn it off, likely because the light was bothering him. Another well-known case is Inky, an octopus in New Zealand who escaped from an aquarium by slipping through a drainage pipe and returning to the ocean. These stories aren't just intriguing anecdotes, they show how these animals possess remarkable adaptability and behaviors that go beyond basic instincts. Additionally, octopuses are highly attuned to their environment. They can detect chemical changes in the water, which helps them identify predators or prey. Their eyes are also incredibly advanced, capable of detecting light polarization, something humans can't do. This gives them a significant advantage in underwater environments, where light is limited and colors can be distorted. Imagine seeing the world in an entirely different way, noticing details invisible to most creatures. Another fascinating aspect is the reproductive behavior of octopuses. When it's time to mate, the male uses one of its arms, called a hectocotylus, to transfer sperm to the female. After this, both the male and female face a tragic fate. The male usually dies shortly after mating, while the female devotes her remaining energy to protecting her eggs until they hatch, before also succumbing. This short but incredibly intense life cycle is part of what makes octopuses so enigmatic. And let's not forget the octopus's ability to release ink as a defense mechanism. When threatened, they expel a cloud of ink that confuses predators and gives them time to escape. But the ink isn't just a visual distraction, it also contains chemical compounds that can irritate a predator's senses, making it an incredibly effective multifunctional weapon. Finally, octopuses have played a significant role in human culture. From ancient legends depicting them as giant sea monsters to modern portrayals in films and literature, they have always captured our imagination. And it's no wonder why. With their extraordinary abilities, they serve as a reminder of how incredibly diverse and full of mysteries life on Earth truly is. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? That's right. 2 of these hearts pump blood to the gills, where oxygen is absorbed, while the 3rd heart circulates the oxygenated blood throughout the rest of the body. Interestingly, when the octopus is swimming, this 3rd heart stops beating, prioritizing energy for movement. This explains why they prefer crawling over swimming, conserving energy for essential activities like hunting or escaping predators. Another fascinating fact about octopuses is their ability to regenerate. If one of their tentacles is lost or injured, it can grow back, much like starfish. What makes this ability even more remarkable is that the regenerated tentacle becomes fully functional, complete with its network of neurons. It's as if the octopus has a natural, system restoration ability, something scientists are studying to better understand and potentially apply to human medicine. Octopuses also have a unique relationship with other marine animals. In certain regions, they form temporary partnerships with fish to hunt, benefiting from strength in numbers and a combination of skills. For instance, while the octopus searches through small crevices for prey, the fish surround the area, ensuring no meal escapes. This type of cooperation is rare in the animal kingdom and highlights how octopuses adapt to various situations to maximize their chances of success. When it comes to cognitive abilities, octopuses have impressive memories. They can remember locations where they found food or encountered danger, helping them navigate efficiently within their underwater territories. Even more astounding is their ability to recognize humans. In aquariums, many octopuses show a preference for certain caretakers, interacting more positively with them while avoiding others. But it's not just their natural abilities that stand out. The way octopuses interact with their environment is equally extraordinary. They use tools creatively, such as collecting shells or pieces of coral to construct shelters or protect themselves from predators. This tool use is a hallmark of intelligence rarely observed outside the primate world. Additionally, recent studies suggest that octopuses may possess rudimentary consciousness. They exhibit behaviors indicating a sense of self and an awareness of their surroundings, such as playing with objects or displaying curiosity-like tendencies. These observations raise intriguing philosophical questions about what it means to be conscious and how this trait evolved independently across different branches of the tree of life. Finally, the ecological role of octopuses cannot be understated. As top predators in many marine ecosystems, they help regulate the populations of other species, maintaining environmental balance. At the same time, they are a vital food source for larger marine creatures like sharks and dolphins. This central position in food chains underscores the importance of conserving them, particularly given the threats they face, such as overfishing and habitat degradation.